ready to give you another garden update.
I can't wait to see what happened in the past week.
Me too, and what's going on behind us? So I'm glad everyone got to meet Peter, our peacock.
I know, and a white peacock of all things.
Yep. And he was really posing for us. He likes to show off. But we're back in the garden now, and we did want to show you how our greens, we have several boxes of greens, are still in their early stage. But some of them, like this arugula, is actually really tasty in this micro stage.
Yeah, it's the perfect thing to do when you're thinning this out, to just like throw it right in the salad bowl. This is my favorite way to eat arugula, actually, is when it's
Nice and tender when it's small like this. Well, our green beans look good.
They do. I can't believe how much they've grown in 1 week.
Yep, they sure have.
So exciting.
And our tomatoes.
Yeah, they made it through too.
Yeah, I think they made the transition pretty well. We warned you guys last week when we planted them that they may take a little bit of a hit through the transition as they're establishing their roots. But I think they're going to be just fine. So this is something new this week.
I know, it's so impressive. Look at all of these peppers.
These are peppers and some eggplant in the back. And these little guys we started from seed in the house back in early March.
Oh, they look magnificent. And the type of eggplant that you put in?
Those are the bigger, the black beauties. They get to be about this big, and they're
Perfect
great
for
on the grill.
grilling. Yeah.
Yeah. And the peppers are all different varieties of peppers, and I had them labeled when I started them as seeds, and then when I transplanted them and moved them around, some of them lost their label, some of the labels just got washed off by watering them all the time. So it's going to be a mystery.